Imagine applying for your dream job in America. You prepare your resume, you practice your answers, you dress professionally. But here's the truth, most people don't know. A human may never see your application because today, AI is already deciding who gets hired and who gets silently rejected. And this is not the future. This is happening right now. Across the United States, companies are using AI-powered hiring systems. Before a recruiter opens your resume, an algorithm scans your resume wording, your facial expressions, your tone of voice, your confidence level, even how long you pause before answering within seconds. AI decides, accept or reject. No explanation, no appeal. From a company's point of view, AI looks perfect. It processes millions of applications. It never gets tired. It reduces hiring costs. It works 24/7 for corporations. AI is efficient. But for humans, that's where the danger begins. AI doesn't understand context. If you speak slower, have an accent, are nervous on camera, don't match ideal patterns, AI may label you as low confidence, unqualified, not a good fit, even if you're highly skilled. And once AI rejects you, no human double checks it. Major corporations in the US already use AI resume filters, video interview analysis, personality scoring algorithms. Some systems even score eye movement, facial symmetry, vocal tone. This means AI is not judging your skills. It's judging how you look and sound. And that should worry everyone. AI is trained on past data. That means past hiring decisions, past biases, past discrimination. If humans were biased before AI learns those biases and scales them silently, the scary part, AI discrimination doesn't look like discrimination. It looks like automation. This is only the first step. Soon, AI will rank employees. AI will decide promotions. AI will recommend layoffs. Your career may depend on a score you never see from a system you never meet. And once this becomes normal, there's no going back. Because AI hiring happens silently. No rejection letter saying AI rejected you. No warning. No transparency. People just think, I wasn't good enough. But the truth is, AI decided that for them. This raises a serious question. Should an algorithm decide a human's future, or should humans always stay in control? Because once AI controls jobs, it controls survival. If you want to understand how AI is shaping your future, subscribe to this channel, because what's coming next is far more powerful than people realize.